Hi, welcome back to Next Level English Prep. Today, we're covering the present perfect continuous, a tense that shows actions that started in the past and are either still happening now or just finished with a clear result. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly when to use it. Let's get started. First up's extended actions. We use present perfect continuous for long actions that started in the past and continue right into the present moment. Listen to this. I've been studying for 2 hours. So I started studying 2 hours ago, and I'm still studying now. Another example is she's been driving since 9 a.m. That's a long action that started in the past, and the present perfect continuous tells us it's still going on. Here's the second use, recently finished actions that have an effect on now. Look at this timeline. She started running in the past, ran for 2 hours, and just stopped. But now she's out of breath. So we can say she's been running for 2 hours because the action just finished, but we can see the result right now because she's out of breath. And that's the connection. All right, let's check real quick. Look at this sentence. I've been studying English for 2 hours. The first question, did the action start in the past? Yeah, it did. It started in the past. The second question, is it still happening or just finished? Both are possible. We don't know from this sentence alone. Will the action continue into the future? Possibly. We don't know if it'll stop or continue. Let's build the structure. For positive sentences, we use the subject plus have or has been plus the verb with ing. I have been working. For negative sentences, just add not. They haven't been studying. And for the question, we flip it. Have you been reading? Notice that been and the ing form always stay together. That's it. All right, time to practice. Pause the video and complete these 4 exercises. Turn the verbs into present perfect continuous form. You ready? All right, pause now. Let's check your answers. How did you do? Let me know in the comments. Now let's try a little speaking. Answer these questions out loud about your life, or write your answers in the comments below. I really want to hear what you've been up to. All right, a real quick recap. The present perfect continuous is for extended actions that started in the past and either continue now or just finish with a present result. And the formula, subject plus have or has been plus verbing. It's simple. That's all for this lesson. If this helped you understand the present perfect continuous, hit that like button and subscribe for more English lessons. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.